Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi 11T Pro to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both smartphones, click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to download this free app from this developer and tap on Open. Then select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now select receive on an Android and send on Xiaomi. Then click on all of those dots and choose send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go into photos category, select one of them, choose send and tap on got it. Over here we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and tap on receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, tap on this scanning icon on Android, select allow, RMS click and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!